In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Defender for real-world protection in 2026. We're going to walk through the essential settings that help keep your Windows PC protected against everyday threats like malware, suspicious downloads, and newly emerging viruses. Microsoft Defender is built into Windows, so the good news is you usually don't need to install anything extra to get started. First, open the Windows Settings menu by pressing Windows and I on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut is one of the fastest ways to jump directly into your system settings without searching through the Start menu. Once Settings opens, click Privacy and Security. This section contains many of the core protection tools for your device. From there, select Windows Security. This is the main dashboard where Microsoft Defender and other built-in security features are managed. Next, click Virus and Threat Protection. This area focuses specifically on scanning, blocking, and monitoring for malicious software. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, click Manage Settings. This is where you can control how Defender actively protects your computer in the background. Now turn Real-Time Protection on. This is one of the most important settings because it allows Defender to continuously monitor your system for threats as files are opened, downloaded, or run. Without it, your protection becomes much more limited. While you're here, make sure cloud-delivered protection is also enabled. This helps Microsoft Defender respond more quickly to brand new threats by using Microsoft's cloud-based intelligence. In practical terms, that means faster detection when something suspicious appears on your PC. You should also enable automatic sample submission. This allows Defender to send suspicious files to Microsoft for analysis, which helps improve detection of emerging malware. It's a useful setting if you want stronger protection against threats that may not yet be widely recognized. After that, go back to the Virus and Threat Protection page and click Quick Scan. This will check common areas of your computer where threats are most likely to appear. It's a good way to confirm that your system is currently clean, especially after changing security settings. Finally, keep Windows and Microsoft Defender updated through Windows Update. Updates don't just add features, they also deliver the latest security improvements and virus definitions, which are critical for staying protected against current threats. If you follow these steps, Microsoft Defender will be set up to provide much stronger day-to-day protection for your PC. With active monitoring, faster cloud detection, and up-to-date security coverage,